Hello guys, welcome back to another PrizeCP Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to repeat a tween or loop a tween indefinitely. Here in my workspace, you can see I have three different parts. I have a part named Y0, Y1, and Y2. Now go ahead and go to your server script service, create a script, and enter the following lines. Here, I'm just having a very basic tween. I'm tweening the part named Y0, which is the top part. For my tween info, I'm using the default for almost everything. I'm setting the time to be 7 seconds. And then for the easing style and easing direction, I'm just using the default. The default for easing style is quad, and the default for easing direction is out. I'm moving my part 120 units to the right. So now if I play, you're going to see that this part, Y0, is going to move 120 units to the right. It's going to end somewhere around here. And the total time it's going to take is 7 seconds. So that's just a basic tween, and you can get more detailed info from our prior tutorials on TweenService. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. And I'll go down here, I'll paste it down here. So for this next part, I'm going to change my Y1 part. So it's going to be the second part. It's going to be this part right here. I'm leaving everything exactly the same. So the time is still going to be 7. I'm still using the default easing style, the default easing direction. But I'm adding a new parameter here. The next parameter is going to be the repeat count. The repeat count is going to be a number. So I'm going to say 2, means after you have completed the tween, you're going to repeat it again 2 more times. So that's going to be a total number of 3 tweens in total. Alright, let's play and take a look. So for the top part, we're only tweening it once, and the bottom part, we're repeating it 2 more times. So this is the first time, right? And now this is the repeat. This is the first repeat for the second part right here. And then that's the second repeat. So we're repeating the tween 2 more times. So that is how you repeat a tween. Next, I'm going to copy this again. So basically everything is going to be exactly the same. The only thing I'm going to change is I'm going to change the repeat count to be a negative number. I'm going to give it a -1. And that actually is going to repeat the tween indefinitely. It's going to be like an infinite loop. It's going to keep on looping indefinitely. And let's change this to Y2. So we're tweening the third and final part, the Y2 part. All right, let's play and take a look. So for our first part has no repeat count. The second part has a repeat of 2, and the bottom part, we're repeating it indefinitely. It's going to be an infinite loop. It's going to keep on repeating. I believe this is the second repeat. And look at the bottom part. It's going to keep on repeating indefinitely. Everyone, that's how you repeat a tween or loop it indefinitely. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.